fire alarm, guys, is not allowed. Listen. There is the alarm system.
All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
It's very ear-piercing. You will hear the other one, guys. It's a fire drill, guys. Oh my god, I need to run. Hold on, guys. So, guys, I don't know what voice evacuation you're using. This is the control panel. Listen, guys, there's a we lock system. Hold on, guys. This is the strobe. This is a fire drill, guys. It's not real. Guys, do you hear the alarm going off? So, we'll continue. This is a sprinkler bell. Why do not go off this thing, guys? That's epic fail. There's a speaker right there, guys. Anyway, guys, subscribe for more fire drill, guys.
You said subscribe for more.
Hear the speaker.
Hey.
Hold on.
Hey. Running.
Listen.
Attention, please.
I don't know how much the panel still. There's the panel. There's a control panel right there. It's a voice evacuation control panel. You listen how sound this. I love fire alarm. Anyway, guys, so hold on just a second. You can listen to another one. This is the epic fail. This alarm's broken. So epic fail. You need to replace that siren. Listen. So a lot of fire alarm going off, guys. There's a we lock. Yeah, we lock fire alarm and voice evacuation speaker. So tell me what's the voice evacuation. So thanks for watching, guys. Because I wear a fire drill. Thanks for watching. Forget to subscribe and stay safe for more. Stay tuned. I forgot recorded the lockdown drill, so maybe next time, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video and stay safe for more. Bye.